Here's what we're taking on today. It says, what is the length of the base of a triangle with a height of 7 millimeters and the area of 30 and 1/3 millimeters squared? So let's start by recalling the formula for the area of a triangle. We have the base times the height divided by 2 equals the area squared, in whatever units squared. So let's start plugging in numbers. What is the length of the base? We don't know that, so we're going to leave that as a b. So we have b times 7 millimeters, that's how tall it is, divided by 2 equals 30 1/3. All right, my first step then is, oops, made it a half instead of a third, is I have to deal with this 2. I have to get rid of that. My objective is to get the b all by itself. So instead of, the opposite of dividing by 2 is multiplying by 2. So now I'm going to rewrite this in like an algebraic format. I have 7b from 7 times b equals, and I can do mental math here, 2 times 30 is 60. And 2/3 times 1/3 times 2 is 2/3. So I have 60 and 2/3. All right, my final step then is I need to divide everything by 7 to solve for the base of the triangle. So I'm going to grab my calculator now, and I'm going to pop in 60 and 2/3, and I'm going to divide that by 7. And I get 26/3, and that will simplify to 8 and 2/3. So the height of my triangle is 8 and 2/3 inches. Millimeters. All right, watch this video again as many times as it takes, and you see that we're just working backwards to get the unknown number all by itself, and we use opposite operations to do that.